Good evening. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. I know I've been keeping you guys up to date with the winter blizzard that we are having here in Bronx, New York. It's January 23rd, 2016. It's approximately, what time are we dealing with? 4:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as you can see, all day, the snow has been horizontal. Yes, folks. We are predicted for 30 plus inches. As you can see, not too well right there. That's actually a car. Well, that car that's passing in front of it. That car is almost completely buried. Okay, what you're actually seeing is the roof and part of the hood of the car. Other than that, the entire thing is completely under snow. That's actually well over 3 feet of snow right there, ladies and gentlemen. This SUV right here, as you can see, can't see it too well, but this particular SUV is buried up to all of its wheels. It's completely embedded in snow. Yeah, it's got to be one of the most awesome, bizarre, and probably worst snowstorms or blizzards I have ever experienced in New York. I mean, July 15th of this year will make 3 years that I've actually been living in New York. And I can say 2013 when I got here, the winter of 2013 was pretty bad. It was pretty nasty. Not like this, ladies and gentlemen. This is absolutely, here we go from my other bigger window. We can get a good view of this. Look at this, guys. This has been going on since, I want to say 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock this morning. It started. By about 7, got pretty bad. But as you can see, it's almost, 5 o'clock in the evening, Eastern Standard Time. And you can see that the snow is still, it's just absolutely relentless. It's incredible. The winds have been recorded between 25, 30 mile an hour gusts, maybe higher. I don't even know what the temperature is right now. All I know is it's pretty damn cold out there, guys. Yeah, this is a really, really bad blizzard that we're having out here, guys. I wanted snow, and apparently I got it. I've already had several people joking with me on the inboxes and through YouTube and Twitter and Facebook, telling me to stop sacrificing virgins and stop doing the snow dance, that I got my snow. No, it's not my fault, guys. I was just very disappointed. I just didn't know that the universe was going to conspire in my favor to have a blizzard. Sorry, guys. My bad. Like I said, I was very disappointed with 2015. The winter sucked. There was no snow. We had 2 fake snow days in December. Now here we are. Last week in January of 2016. And one hell of a blizzard, folks. Well, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. I may or may not make one more video before I sign off for the evening, but as you can see, it has been pretty relentless all day, and it's going to continue to get worse. As I said, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. I hope you guys have enjoyed the first blizzard of 2016 here in the Bronx, New York City. I'll be signing out for the evening. Everybody stay safe, stay indoors, stay warm. Peace out till next time. Later.